Okay, let's straight get to the point. Today we are gonna talk about Ulefone Armor X13, another rugged smartphone. Rugged smartphone? Oh, this one doesn't look like a rugged smartphone. This one looks so very gorgeous, and in hand, this one feels super premium, silky smooth. It doesn't have that bulky or rough outlook and appearance. Rather, it looks cute and colorful. Well, I've been using this Ulefone Armor X13 for the past couple of days, not because it looks nice and cute, but because this one is an extreme rugged smartphone which comes with all the necessary IP ratings like IP68, IP69K, military standard 810H, and at the same time performs like a monster because this one is powered by MediaTek Helio G36, a 8-core SoC which comes with 4 prime cores and 4 energy efficient cores. I have this 6 plus 64GB edition, but don't worry, we can expand 6GB of RAM, so altogether we have access to 12GB of RAM, and yeah, there is a dedicated slot for microSD card. That means we can expand storage even when we are using 2 nano SIM cards. We can expand storage up to 256GB. That's a huge number for a rugged smartphone. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing, but yeah, you know. What I'm gonna say now is, please take a while and click on the like button. I mean, if you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, let me show you something. I have got this Ulefone Armor X13 with a few extra accessories. Here comes the protective case for Ulefone Armor X13. This protective case comes with a few different things, additional accessories, so there are a lot of different combinations to work with. Okay, inside the box of armor mount, phone multi-mount for armor case, we will get the phone multi-mount and a quick start guide. I really like this one because we actually can extend it and we can even rotate the smartphone in 360 degree. The hinges are very nice and sturdy. This product is built with premium quality materials. Yeah, that's usual stuff for Ulefone, and it has a very nice outlook and appearance along with a very nice sturdy build quality. Okay, here is the full list of specifications of Ulefone Armor X13. If you wanna check, you may pause the video and check one by one. Outlook and appearance is subjective. Yes, different people likes different type of outlook and appearance, different type of design, different type of color. But when it comes down to rugged smartphones, in this segment, not many brands are offering very good, nice looking rugged smartphones and at the same time offers sturdy build quality. Yes, that matters because these are rugged smartphones. Sturdiness matters. And Ulefone is the brand who always offers a very good build quality and at the same time does a lot of research and development to give the phone very good outlook and appearance. And definitely all the Ulefone smartphones offers a very good in-hand feelings. I should say premium in-hand feelings. This Ulefone Armor X13 feels so very light because this isn't as heavy as many other rugged smartphones and it has its own design language. I like the rear camera panel, and you know what? There are orange accent here and there, especially that orange trim around the display panel that not only looks good but also protects the display panel from getting scratched when it's on a flat surface. At the rear panel, Ulefone has added their logo in the center. Usually I don't like this type of design, but in this case, on this smartphone, this looks so damn gorgeous because they have some design language, curves and cutouts here and there. So altogether, this looks so very beautiful. Especially, you know what? I really like this rear camera block. It's truly unique. Well, on top, there is a 3.5mm port which is well protected with a cover, and beside that there is a cutout to use a protective case on this Ulefone Armor X13. Power button and volume rockers all are located on the right side. Fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. On the left side there is a customizable button. I really like this orange accent on this button, and on top of that, there is our 3-slot SIM tray. We can use 2 nano SIM cards, and at the same time we can also use a TF or microSD card to expand storage. At the bottom it looks very clean. There is a microphone and a cutout for the bottom firing loudspeaker, and also there is a USB-C port, which is one more time, well protected. So dust or water isn't gonna do any damage. Every time I talk about a Ulefone, I always feel like, well, this is a premium smartphone, flagship smartphone, because even if sometimes Ulefone uses LCD panel, 720p panel, the display panels are very good quality one and offers crisp and clear picture quality along with sharpness. Ulefone Armor X13 comes with a 6.52-inch IPS LCD panel. This is the HD Plus panel, 720 by 1600 resolution, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, 269 pixel per inch density. That 269 ppi is a very big number for any rugged smartphones. So picture quality is sharp enough. Moreover, Ulefone Armor X13's display panel can reproduce natural colors. Colors are definitely vivid and vibrant, but not saturated. Yet, it looks very natural. Considering its price and segment, I would give this display panel 10 out of 10. It's time to talk about the speaker. Ulefone Armor X13 comes with a bottom-firing single loudspeaker. I'm really surprised by the performance of this loudspeaker. The sound quality is very good. Let's listen to some music and you decide by yourself how good is the performance. Every time I review a smartphone, I check 4 things: display, camera, gaming, and battery. As we have already talked about display, let's talk about the camera performance. Ulefone Armor X13 comes with a 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL JN1 main sensor, which is a very capable sensor and is already used in many different flagship smartphones. Ulefone Armor X13 also has a 24 megapixel OV24A1B night vision sensor, so definitely we can take very nice photos even at true darkness. There is a 8 megapixel GC08A3 selfie sensor. That one, also works fine. We cannot expect anything beyond this from this price segment, and considering that this is a rugged smartphone, the camera performance is truly far better than any other rugged smartphones in its price segment. As usual, I have taken a lot of photos with this Ulefone Armor X13 side by side with another budget mid-range smartphone, and Ulefone has definitely done better. I will let you check some photos and then you will understand. There is a difference. Even if Ulefone costs less, even if Ulefone isn't a camera-centric smartphone, this one has beaten a mid-range camera-centric smartphone without any issue. Ulefone Armor X13 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's really easy to register a fingerprint, and once a fingerprint is registered, it works very fast, very fine. No hiccups, no lags, no issues. If you like to use face unlocking option, yes, Ulefone has also added 2D face unlock option. It's also very easy to enroll face data into Ulefone Armor X13, and once a face is enrolled, oh my gosh, it works very fine. It unlocks the phone even faster than some other flagships. Ulefone always offers stock Android. There is no gimmicky skin or nothing like that. It's straight, very clean. Armor X13 runs on Android 13 out of the box, and as Ulefone always offers a few years of update, I think we are already future-proof. Armor X13 comes with a 6320 mAh battery. That's a huge number. Considering that this is a very slim and light rugged smartphone, 6320 mAh battery is a very big one. I have managed to squeeze more than 10 hours of screen on time. Ulefone claims that we can put this smartphone in standby mode for 294 hours. I didn't have enough time to test that, but what I have seen after using this Ulefone Armor X13 for the past couple of weeks, yeah, I think Armor X13 will actually be on standby mode for more than 300 hours, because really this one doesn't drain battery. I have managed to watch YouTube videos on Wi-Fi for almost 11 hours and 50 minutes. That's really a huge thing. There is a 10-watt charger comes bundled inside the package, and the charger also works very nice. I cannot say the charger recharges this smartphone within a few minutes. That will be a straight lie. The charger takes a bit of a time, but once the phone is fully recharged, Ulefone Armor X13 is good to go for days, if not weeks. Okay, there is one thing I haven't talked about. That's gaming performance, real-life performance. Ulefone Armor X13 is powered by a Helio G36 SoC. There are 4 prime cores which runs at 2.2 GHz. So yeah, we can play graphics intensive games, but not at ultra high graphics settings. At mid-level graphics settings, we have got very smooth, very fluid in-game experience. Buttery smooth, I should say. Whatever we have thrown at it, it has performed. Need for Speed, Real Racing 3, Shadow Fight, PUBG. Yeah, me and Thea, especially Thea, has played hours after hours on this smartphone without having any issues. Usually, MediaTek Helio G36 is a cool processor. It doesn't generate any heat, so there is no thermal throttling, and Ulefone has also added very good thermal solution and has optimized the phone and its algorithm to offer very stable in-game experience. Definitely rugged smartphones are not for gaming, but we have enjoyed. The gaming sessions were delightful. So if you are worried that whether you can play games on this Ulefone Armor X13 or not, definitely you can play games on Ulefone Armor X13, and that's even without being worried about anything. Finally, it's time for verdict. But before that, there is another thing. As this smartphone is IP68, IP69K dust and water resistant, we have placed this smartphone inside water for 10 minutes and look at this. Nothing has happened to the smartphone. So yeah, this is a proper rugged smartphone. Oh, okay, we have even dropped the phone intentionally for a few times and nothing has happened. This is truly a rugged smartphone which comes in a very sleek and slim body and looks very attractive. So if you ask me whether you should go for this Ulefone Armor X13 or not, then I would say, yeah, go ahead. Don't hesitate, because within this price segment, this Ulefone Armor X13 is the best that you will be able to buy. Because this one is a future-packed phone, but costs less than many other smartphones, which even comes with less features than Ulefone Armor X13. I've left a link of this Ulefone Armor X13 in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that. But before that, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.